Alright, what's up, guys? It's been a little bit since we've done any race car work, but today we're at least going to try to get started on this transmission. It won't be done today, but we're at least going to get this thing opened up. Well, partially. And gonna see about cleaning this part up. I didn't think that part through. There we go. But as you can see, it's dirty, it's nasty. Last time I raced, my shifter linkage broke, but at the same time, it was leaking fluid. So I'm gonna try to diagnose that. But at the same time, we're just going to soak this thing down with some super clean here that they were nice enough to send me. We're just going to soak it down here. I know there's better ways to do this, but it's still cold outside. And to be honest with you, I really don't feel like hooking up the pressure washer and stuff right now. This was the best I could get it when I washed the car, because obviously this side was closest to the driver tunnel and everything, so I couldn't like get the pressure washer all the way up in there. The other side's clean, but this will work for now. Get this thing cleaned up. The clutches and everything still worked fine, but for whatever reason it was leaking out of the side of here, so I'm hoping just maybe this seals just went bad and blowed out or something. We can at least get it resealed and done up, because once this is done, I'll take I don't have it out here with me now, but I got some Brillo pads, Scotch-Brite, stuff like that, and I'll clean up the. Guess this one. Hang on, I might have my drill here. Oh, we're in business. Not even gonna lie, I forgot I had these. Now I don't know how well this is gonna work. definitely, that seal is definitely not sealing anymore. I gotta get some more brake cleaner from the parts store too. Because the rear seal is still fine, and all this up here is still good. So let's get ready to take that out. Have to move y'all just a second here. And I'll be honest, I don't really know what size that is. Looks like I have, maybe. I love it when a bunch of my sockets go missing. Because people come borrow things from me and they don't ever put them back. And then I gotta spend all this time hunting for them. All my shock bolts and stuff there, getting all that situated. Gotta get a new pair of shocks, but hopefully those will be ready to go within the next little bit. Now to find the right Allen wrench to fit that. Just taking a shot in the dark. Too big. And this one's probably too small. Oh, right on the money. Really need to get me some of them sockets with the Allen heads on. That would make life nice in some situations. This is a rare occasion I'm wearing gloves because I still have somewhat good clothes on. And we're fixing to leave here and go see Mom As soon as I'm done here, I got about another 30 minutes or so before I have to leave and go see her. Been going and seeing her every day. Hopefully one day this week. Last I heard, she's gonna be getting released from the rehab place where she's been pretty much for a month or a month and a half now, almost 2 months. I forget, but anyway, she's supposed to be getting released, so that's a plus. Oh yeah, this gasket was fried. Blowing out of the end. You can see it right there. Pretty cool how that all works. So that's in gear right there. So that should be, yep, that's low gear. And that should be neutral. And then this one should pull. There we go, that's reverse. Hey. Not bad at all. No metal flakes or chunks or anything anywhere, so that's always a good sign. Drain this thing. Like completely drain it. Get all this sealed back up. Yes, sir. All right. Alright, so I'll either get another gasket, get one from Booger or Barry, somebody, Riley, somebody's bound to have one. I can order one, something, but most likely get another gasket. Or, I've been told, and I'm pretty sure I've seen it before, but I mean, some people just RTV them, just put a bunch of orange RTV around there and seal it up, so I may do that. I don't know. Just depends on how long it takes to maybe get a gasket. But everything in there looks good. Like, it's definitely nice and fresh. Like I said, there's no metal anywhere. Here, take these gloves off so you can see it here. Off the tripod there, sorry. Yeah, really not bad at all. Get my flashlight working here. Couple looks like maybe some heat spots, but overall not bad looking. Like I said, finish draining all that, get a gasket or just RTV it, and then we can be able to take that, get that and the bell housing there. I got to get it cleaned up and probably repaint it maybe, but get it cleaned up, get everything stuff back in there once I check over the flywheel and stuff. But get all that stuck back in. My drive shaft is over there. I gotta get a new U-joint for that, but get all that put back in, get it going, and I got some tires to mount up. I got some newer tires. I'm still gonna have to run some of these that I had last year, but I mean, I only raced 6 or 7 times, so I ran those American Racers a lot, so it ain't like I necessarily killed those tires, but we'll get them mounted, get some fresh ones on the rear at least, and maybe right out front. I got some over there still that are pretty good. Tires for my truck, hopefully going on at the end of this week, and get all that situated. So yeah, we'll get this going. And sorry, got distracted with my phone. But yeah, we'll get this going, and we will see everybody in the next one.